Hello everyone, here I am back again with another video, and in today's video I will be sharing certain points that will help you to clear your CMA US exam in first attempt. Before I proceed further, if you are new to our Uplift Pro's YouTube channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now many students might be planning to write their CMA US exam in October or next year in 2024. So what strategies you should keep it in mind that will help you to clear this exam in first attempt? The first and most important strategy that you should consider is problem solving and attempting mocks. The more you practice question, it doesn't matter how many times you are practicing. The more you solve your problems, your concepts get clear. If you are taking the mocks, that gives you a real-time feeling of your final exam pattern, helping you to understand the questions more informatively and you get to answer them correctly. No matter whichever resources you follow it, some of the most recognized and renowned publishers' materials are available in the market. That can be Hogg, Glenn, Wiley, Sargent. Whichever materials you refer to it, do make sure to practice questions and attempt the test banks. That helps you to cover 80% of your CMA US exam strategy. Another most important tip point is that you should consider, especially the academic students who are taking their CMA US exam, you ought to understand the concept. Don't mug up. You need to come out of the old study pattern where you mug up concept and you just go to your exam hall and just write it down. No, that's not how you appear for your CMA exam. Remember, CMA US is a professional certification and not an academic qualification. So you make sure to clear your concepts, understand the questions and answer them correctly instead of mugging up with it. Thirdly, do not skip any questions. Yes, I repeat myself. As we know, CMA is a 4 hours exam. 75% of the questions are MCQs and 25% are essay. So do not make the mistake of missing any questions. Answer all the questions. It doesn't matter whether you know the answer or you're unsure about it, but make the attempt. So do not skip any of the questions, and for that you have to make your concepts towards the CMA content stronger. And again, as I said, practice questions. And lastly, you need to keep yourself dedicated and you have to work hard. Remember, CMA US is a globally recognized course, and if you can achieve this course, you don't need to look back. So prepare well, stay calm, be confident. At Uplift Pro Academy, we provide guidance for various accounting courses like CMA, CPA, Enrolled Agent and ACCA UK. We are conducting live classes and end-to-end guidance is provided to students for the respective courses. I hope these points help you to clear your CMA US exam at first attempt, and if you need to discuss more about it, do get in touch with us on the below contact details. I wish you all the best, stay confident and be a CMA.